Hi, after much of a long time making a just a raw video but much excited about it. So you guys have seen my desktop setup and it was really cool. But for me it was just a normal setup. It wasn't my dream setup. So how this was I'll show you once what's my current setup. 1 second, I'll just. So basically I had this kind of a setup. So your lights and one monitor and a laptop which used to be connected and the keyboard and everything. So this might be dream setup for so many people, and everyone wanted to have such nice looking setup. But for me, what from childhood or from my teenage I was admiring was this kind of setup, that there should be a two screen and one laptop or connected to it, and then you can do a multitasking and everything and get your things done. So it was one of my this type of setup, or this, that one vertical and horizontal screen, then on side there can be a laptop and then keyboard and mouse connected to it. You can utilize it. So this can work really well with my on Windows setup also, and this one which I can use with my Mac setup. So both are sorted out. So we are adding one more monitor towards this side or this side. We'll just see it. I'll show you in the video. And it was my dream setup, so I had been working it from and thinking about it from past 1 or 2 years, but wasn't able to do. Now I got the time, I got every opportunity at the right moment, so I'm building it and finally operating my this setup to my dream setup. And also I'll show you my portfolio. So that's been a amazing portfolio. As a software engineer I had been created it, so you'll be also seeing that. Okay, then let's first show you and have a time lapse how I will be adjusting and everything. I'll just show you in the time lapse and then we'll talk about further things.
Chest, yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on a spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin, so why you always halfway in? Halfway in. You hit me up when the nights get slow, but then disappear when the highs get low. I ain't your maybe, tell me what it is, 'cause I'm way too grown to be messing with a love like this. I give you love, but you ration yours. But you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. You stay closing doors. I stay up late trying to read.
Yeah, so you might have seen the time lapse. So in time lapse there was a lot of a struggle. So how does my setup has been configured, I'll tell you. So basically I had when I just purchased my first software monitor during my college days, so I just purchased and thought that I had that blueprint, this two blueprint that I in future down the line, be it 2 years or 3 years or 4 years, I would have this setup anyway, two screen, either two screen or three of screen or something like that I had in my mind, and thought that whatever the monitor I am buying it right now during that time. So I just thought about one concept about daisy chain, so it works well in for the Windows. For Mac it doesn't support this daisy chaining, so for that I had to just connect one with a Type-C and one with normal HDMI cable, so it will be working it. And I had HDMI cables, I had a lot of them, and after connecting other monitor, now it has been pretty cool connected, but there has been lot of cables around it, so I need to get it sorted it out, the things I need to get sorted out, all the cable management and everything. We'll do it later on, time to time. We'll try and experiment different style also. Then what if two something I'll try PNCs and combinations with that, and whatever the best would be there, you would be seeing in the upcoming videos or in this that for it. For this setup, it took me 4 years to get it build it, and finally I'm into it. And you might be thinking that why you need two of monitors. Just for the personal satisfaction, that's it. yeah, it would be helping into my day-to-day activity, like be it in a coding stuff or be it into like other thing. It was getting like things my done. So one basically one with a type C it was just connected, and with one with HDMI I used to connect into the Mac, and like things were working well. So that was also one thing, but I thought that I had like dream setup into the mind, I need to get it done. So just for that I just made the whole setup ready. So I had a dream, finally done it. And also one more thing, like you might be thinking that Arsh, like you had like a lot of gadgets and we just wanted to refer, or we just wanted to look around that what all the gadgets with exact particular price or exact like a model, we just need to find out from where we can find it. So I had at least like my personal portfolio, so I'll be showing you within like 2 or 3 minutes. So in that I made like one of a section for daily like tech gadgets or gear of kind of something. So in that all of my products have been there, and also that whatever the product, if you purchase from that or any of item you just purchase from the Amazon link, going through there, whatever the contribution amount would be there or whatever the affiliate amount I would be getting it, will be donating it to the needy people or well-being of needy people. So just like you just tend to purchase, I'll just get it done. So that's a thing. Let me show you now. Basically it's one second, let me minimize that bright section one. So this is our really cool setup. So here we had like a 13-inch HPNV. Then yeah, this one is a LG like 4K monitor with a 24-inch. This is the same like rotatable tilt one, same. And this one I just purchased, which is of a Dell. So this is a full HD. It's not a 4K one, but it will get my things done. And yeah, like you can see this all my cards of entry cards or identity card, like different events I had been attended, and yeah, like few books are there. So this, and yeah, I just organized like few of our stuff right now, but we'll be organizing it and making like much more structured way. So this is the setup right now, and down like there have been a lot of cable hanging around it. I need to get that fixed then. Yeah, so for that you need to, for my portfolio, you need to go to AarshPatel.in. Someone here had took my domain arshpatel.com, like someone already bought it, so I didn't got it. So better why not AarshPatel.in. So something like this, the video will be there, so you can just play it around.
Hello, I'm Aarsh Patel. I'm a software developer, mentor, and driven by a passion for continuous learning. I specialize in building scalable applications of real impact. Welcome to my portfolio.
Was it like cool? So yeah, like you can just basic of information about me, what the things have been there, what I'm working on, what my experience. And here the main thing is that my setup and recommendation. So yeah, all the stuff I've been monitor 1 and 2 already I had like added it. It was way planned before that I'm purchasing this one. All the things have been there, and some dust and decors have been there. So everything has been there. Yeah, whatever you wanted to purchase. Tech wish list also I have, like I need to upgrade my keyboard. Like I had 2 options: mouse, then phone, like standing desk, chair I need to upgrade, monitor light. Yeah, I can get it at it done. And some book recommendation like finance, self-help, psychology, startup, whatever you feel, you can just read it out there. And also one thing is been that if you purchase anything from this, all affiliate income entirely goes towards the well-being of needy people, so you can get used to it. So you just have to go to arshpatel.in/gear and you can find it out here. So that's an amazing portfolio. If you wanted to know that how did I build and made this portfolio, just comment me down like tutorials, and we'll be happy to make a next video and also share your thoughts and everything. So that was a video about all about like my setup upgrade, about like dream setup, and we'll also like showcase you on the time lapse and everything on Instagram. So make sure that you are connected on Instagram or else on LinkedIn. Also I keep on posting there about like a lot more stuff about tech events and everything, and a lot more cool to go. So that's our video. All about, and please make sure that you like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Let me know all your thoughts about my setup and what should I keep on upgrading it, or what something better I might have done it. So let me know in the comment section, and also tutorial will be making into the next video if you all say it. And all the mess I need to get it like settle everything down, so we'll be doing it. That's was this video. See you in the upcoming video. Till that time, keep learning, keep exploring, and also you can check out all other videos here. That's it.